Hi everyone, it's Bianca here. If you're new to my channel, what's up? I'm Bianca. Yeah, welcome to my channel. So today I did my go-to glam look, I guess. This is usually what I do when I'm going out or when I'm going to a birthday party or something like that. So yeah, this is the very simple kind of glam look that I do. So yeah, let's just quit the talking and get straight into this video. Okay, so for my glam look, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is something that's literally my go-to palette for anything. I go straight to this palette. For my transition, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Do you see it? With my Morphe M533. I'm gonna dab into that shade and use that as my transition. Now going in with a transition, like another color to put under that transition, I'm gonna go with my Morphe M441. And I'm gonna go in with this shade and kind of put that also my transition, but a little bit into the socket of my crease. Now I'm gonna switch over to the Morphe 35O palette. She's really dirty. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. And I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here. I think it's like a brownie shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my outer V. And I'm doing the eyes first. Reason being that I got a lot of complaints that I talked a lot in my last video. So I'm doing the eyes first and then the face. Okay, so now to deepen up the crease, well, the outer V, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Also in the Morphe 35O palette, and put that also in my outer V to deepen it up. Okay, so now what I love to do when I'm doing a go-to glam look, by glam looks, I'm going to half cut the crease, and I'm going to be using my Fit Me Maybelline concealer and this Wet n Wild brush. But I only like to do half cut creases. I never go for like the full-on like cut crease. I will be right back. This is the eye look that I usually go for when I'm going out to like a birthday dinner or birthday party or something, and I don't really usually like to do something new when I'm going out. So yeah, now I'm going to move on to my face. For primer, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, and I'm just going to take just one, oh my god, just one little pump of that and putting that on the areas where I have big pores. And now I'm going to be spraying some Smashbox primer water, but I put in the Mario Badescu spray, reason being that the top of the primer water broke off, so when I had a lot of product left, so I was like, this is not going to waste, so I put it in this. When I want a full coverage foundation face, like when I'm going out, I usually tend to go to these two foundations. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer and the Smashbox Studio Skin. So I'm going to be mixing these two together. So now to blend all of that out, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques Expert brush and blending all that out. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape. I have very little concealer left in this, so we're just going to be scraping from the sides. I totally forgot to say, I'm setting my face with the Laura Mercier powder. This powder literally keeps my makeup locked in all day, and I seriously just love this powder. I like to bake my nose to really make sure that the foundation and concealer around my nose does not move at all. The powder I love to set the rest of my face with is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This powder makes my skin feel so velvety smooth, and I just love the finish. and it doesn't move around my makeup or anything, so I really do recommend this. So I'm going to be setting my face with this. So now for bronzer and contour, I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I literally love this bronzer. It's such like a nice contour such bronzer. Like, it has a really nice undertone for my skin. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be using with my Morphe M437. So for bronzer, I'm pretty sure y'all probably know which bronzer I'm going in. Same dang bronzer, of course. And for highlight, I love using a blinding highlight when I go out. So I'm going to go in with my Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This highlighter is so bomb. If y'all don't have it, I really suggest y'all go get you one of these. So to finish off the eyes, and I'm going to go in with my Morphe M562 brush, and with this same like transition-y shade that we used in the beginning, and I'm going to put that under my eye. And now to tightline the under eye, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So before I go in with mascara, I'm going to quickly set my face with my De-Slick setting spray. So I quickly went ahead and contoured my nose. I'm not a master at contouring, so don't judge me. So while that bakes, I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes, and I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara and curl my lashes. I don't really like to go in with falsies because I take like 30 minutes to just put one lash on, so no thank you. So now for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Rimmel London lip liner in Tiramisu and the, of course, liquid lipstick Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. I seriously need to buy the full size of this. This is amazing. I think I'm already running out of it, not even kidding you. Oh well. Because I love putting on gloss and I cannot leave the house without gloss on, I'm going to be using my NYX Make a Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Natural. So this is the completed look. This is usually what I wear when I'm going to events or dinners or anything like that. It's nothing too much, it's just something I could quickly do just in case I'm in a rush or something, and it's something I know how to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys didn't, then I don't know what you're doing here because you lasted all the way to the end of this video. If you guys want to follow me on my social media, I have them down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!